Hi guys, welcome back. This is Ranish Malhan from PIXcompose, and today we are going to move further. In the last class we saw how we can change the expression of a person in 2021 version of the Photoshop. So basically we are going to move beyond that. So let's see what we are going to do here. So we have this image. Now I want to make it older or younger. How we can do that? So for that we have a simple slider present in the Photoshop 2021 version. So for that we have to go to the filter, and again we will open neural filters. We saw these neural filters in the last class. So if I click here, you can see that it is opening. So now the neural filter is loaded and we can see that Photoshop detected the face. So now we want to change her age. For that I will go here to the beta filters, and here you can see that we have smart portrait. Click here. Now last time we saw all the expressions. We can make her happy if we want. She is already happy, but we can make her more happier. You can see that it is calculating the result on the cloud. We will able to see the result afterwards. I think you are able to see this icon. This is to reset all changes in this filter. Here you can notice the changes. If I turn this off, this one is the original image. If we click here, you can see that now we have modified image. So now we want to change her facial age. For that I have to go here, click here. So now we can change her age. If I move it towards the right, you can see that she will become older. So we have this result. We can increase it if we want, like this. We may have some glitches as this version is new in the Photoshop. This one is the beta filter, as the section conveys. So it is in the testing, that's why we can have some glitches. Don't worry about that. We can deal with them after we commit the changes. Then we will have a new layer on which we can apply a layer mask to tweak these changes. After that we have gaze, but firstly if I want to reduce the age, I have to move it towards the left. You can see that if I turn this off, we will have the original image. This one is the original image. If I click here to see the effect, I think you can notice that the age is changed. Here we have it. So now if we want to change the gaze of the eyes, basically if I want to move the eyes, the retina, so we can click here, and if I move it towards the right, she will start watching towards the right, and if I move it towards the left, you can see that the retina will be on the left. So now if we want to increase the thickness of the hairs, like somebody have the hair fall or somebody have the light hairs, we want to increase the hairs, then we have to click here and we can increase that. If we move towards the right, you can see that hairs are increased, the volume of the hair is increased. If we move it towards the left, you can notice that it will decrease the volume, like here. So this one is very cool feature. After that, if we want to move the head direction, then we have to click here. Now if I want to move her towards the right, I am doing extreme changes because I want to show what every slider will do. So if I move towards the right, you can see that we will have the effect. This is the effect. Again, I am saying that this filter contains some bugs, that's why we are getting this result, but don't worry about that. I will show you how we can tweak that. don't worry about that. We can change the lighting, like I want to move the lighting towards the left. Here you can see that basically we can tweak it very well. So now if we go to the output, I want it in the new layer, we can click on OK. So here you can see that we have the image. The image is not looking good, so we can add a layer mask, right? So now we have a layer mask. We want to tweak that out. For that, what we have to do, I will go to the brush tool, press B. Now we have the brush. I have increased the size of the brush. Now we can use it, but firstly I have to make it soft. So now if I start moving it here, you can see that how easily we are able to tweak that. We can make it perfect if we spend some time, but as this is a tutorial and we have some short time, that's why I am wrapping it up here. So if you get any doubts regarding this, don't hesitate to ask me anytime on my social media handles, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon for the further notifications of our video. And if you want to follow along with us, please download the files from the details section of the YouTube video. So I hope you liked it. See you again in the next video.